If you're not taking deposits in your business, you need to start doing that right now. Adding deposits in your business shows that your clients are serious about booking the service. It ensures that your time has been paid for. It shows that you are serious about your business and upholding your policies. It gives you a cash influx, income smoothing with each booking. It also shows your subconscious mind that you can make money while you are not in the studio sitting down with that one-on-one client. Deposits are the first step to seeing proof that it's possible to make money beyond your one-on-one clients. Proof that you can make money while you sleep, while you're out having fun, while you're on vacay. And if you're like me and one of your goals is to build beyond just one-on-one clients, to make money beyond when you're just in the studio with clients, deposits are an important first step to believing that this is possible for ourselves. Our subconscious mind, not heart, likes to see examples of proof that things are possible before we can believe them. So this is the easy way to create that belief that making money beyond our one-on-one clients is possible, that making money outside of the studio is possible. Other than the rush of getting paid while doing something other than actually working, deposits are an important aspect to your pricing strategy, to income smoothing, and to actually making sure that your clients are serious about booking their service. One of the main purposes of a deposit is income smoothing, like I said. So creating wealth, financial freedom, and honestly just freedom in general comes from the ability to make money whenever and wherever, to make money on your days off, to make money while you are not actually working, to make money while you are sleeping. That's why you will hear financial gurus say things like make your money work for you and encourage you to invest your money in ways that bring you more money. We want to income smooth, and we want to do it with our deposits. And the definition of income smoothing is the act of using accounting methods to level out fluctuations in net income from different reporting periods. Okay, that's really technical, but I want to use it in the sense of daily and weekly fluctuations. I want money to be flowing to you every single day of the week. We are looking at things from a entrepreneurial mindset here. So you don't want to get paid once a week. You don't want to get paid once every 2 weeks like an employee would on a paycheck, or else you would have just gotten a job, right? You want to get paid. You want to see payment notifications, payment deposits on the daily or hourly. How awesome would that be? So like I said, deposits are step one to seeing money come in while you are working on other aspects of your business or just hanging out or on vacation, even sleeping. The reason we say income smoothing is because we are smoothing out how much money we make over every day of the week. So if we're getting a deposit on a Monday when we're not in the studio, we're getting paid on Tuesday because we are in the studio. Wednesday and Thursday we're in the studio, and then Friday we're not. This is my schedule, but Friday we're not, and we're getting deposits on that day. We're smoothing our income across the whole week, right? Or, for example, if you're on vacation and you still have clients making deposits, you're still making money even though you're not in the studio working with that client, okay? Next up, on the logistical side of having deposits, you need to make it valuable for your clients that they take booking the appointment serious. You want to make the deposit enough money that they don't want to lose their deposit, but not too much that you're basically asking your clients to pay upfront. Clients probably are not going to be that sad about losing a $25 deposit if they late cancel or no show, but most likely they're going to be a little bit more actually upset if they lose a $100 deposit. So you need to give it value. And I personally do charge $100 for deposit. I find this gives it enough of a value, but it also doesn't take away too much from the cost of the day of the procedure, because I like to get paid when I'm actually offering the service, when I actually put the time in. Also, tip-wise, in the case that your clients tip only on the remaining balance, not the whole total including the deposit, you're gonna lose a little bit of that tip. So if you're deposit is very, very high, you're going to lose even more of that tip. And tips are never expected. I'm so grateful for all of my tips, and I am very, very lucky that my clients do tip me really, really well. On that note, please don't base your services or your pricing of your services expecting a tip, because if you do expect one and then you don't get one, you feel like you didn't get the full value of what you offered, right? So if you are feeling that way, you need to increase your prices and take tipping out of the equation, and then just be really, really happy if you do receive one. Deposits are a super easy policy to implement, especially if you're using an online booking platform, which I highly recommend if you're not already doing this. And some of them actually have options to make clients pay a deposit before even booking with you. And if your online booking system allows for this, please use this feature. That makes it so easy. But if not, no worries, I totally got you. So I personally use Square Booking, which has an invoice app. It is a separate app, but it syncs with it, and it allows you to send invoices to clients via email, text, or direct link. And if you have the Square Booking system, it totally syncs up together and makes it so, so easy. So stay till the end of this video. I'm going to show you how to do this easily so you can start accepting deposits just in a few minutes. But I also need to say this, please note, if you are in an area where you're not allowed to actually accept deposits, you may have to call it a booking fee. So look into that if that's where you're at. If you don't want to use the Square Invoices app, I don't know why not, it's totally free, but you can also use PayPal to send requests and receive payments, or you can accept via e-transfer or even like cash apps. If you choose this way, just make sure that you are making a note that your client paid this deposit on their account, so there's no confusion at checkout. So, like I said, let me show you how I can request and automatically accept deposit using Square Invoices app that I have synced with my Square Payment and my Square Booking app.
Set up and start accepting deposits using Square. Open the Square app or go to Square on your computer and add an item or service. This service is going to be your non-refundable deposit, and you are going to make it for the price of your deposit. In my case, it's $100. Be sure to add tax if you're required to in your area. Now that you've created your non-refundable deposit service, head to the Square Invoices app, and you're going to create your first invoice. Hit the plus sign in the top right-hand corner to create your first invoice and click on Send Invoice. From here, you can add a customer from your Square appointment booking if you already have them synced together or you use this program, or you can create a new contact, and then you're going to add your service, your $100 non-refundable deposit. Hit continue, and then your invoice will be created. You can view a mock-up of the invoice that's going to be sent, and then from here you can choose the delivery method. So you can have it shared by email or text, or copy the URL to send it directly to your clients, which is how I like to do it. Hit create invoice and then copy the link. You can now text or email this link to your client so they can make the deposit payment right away. So go into your text messages, type out a little message telling them what it is, how to click the link, how to make the deposit payment, and then copy and paste the link in from Square, and then they will be able to make that deposit right from there, and it'll be deposited into your Square account and then into your bank account a few days later. Your deposits are now set up, and you can start making money outside of the studio, outside of one-on-one clients right now.
It's that simple. Money can be flowing into your account just minutes after setting this up. Don't forget that you do need to make this part of your policies, that your deposits need to be part of your business policies, and have it listed in as many places as possible on your website, on your online booking, on your Instagram highlights, in your welcome emails. You can even have them sign off on this on their intake forms, so they are fully aware that deposits are required to hold all appointments. If you're not sure what your policy should be or wording is, you can access all of my policies as well as a boundary worksheet to figure out what else you should add into your own policies for your business, and you can access all of this for just $1 by joining B Club now. The link is in the caption, and while you're at it, please hit like and subscribe. I put out new videos once a week. Cheers, see you then.